It's Aaliyah Fur Babies coming to you with Simba, my boy. He's so handsome. Huh? Yeah? Oh, my gracious. Oh, what's she doing today? I think Daddy said you had a squirrel. Did you have a squirrel? A chickmunk? Oh, my goodness. A chickmunk. Did he let it go? Oh, well, at least he ate it. So I guess, well, we all know that's what kitties do. Yeah. Cats are, really, they can be cruel hunters because they like to play with their prey before they kill it. But at least he ate it. Yes, good boy, Simba. Yeah, good boy. Oops. Spilling my coffee. Yes, and they're not in the house. We like it when they're not in the house, don't we, Simba? You still get it, wouldn't you, honey? Yes, you would. All right, you got anything to say? You got anything to say? No? Oh, you gotta scratch my steps, huh? Yeah, it looks like you've done it before. Yeah. All right. Can you say please like and subscribe? Apparently Tonka's got something to say. What you saying over there? Huh? Tonka's saying please like and subscribe and hit that bell. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye now.